Understanding Accessibility Ramp, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important and useful phrase in the English language, accessibility ramp. This phrase is not just common, but it's also significant in our daily lives, especially in the context of inclusivity and mobility. Let's dive into what it means and why it matters. An accessibility ramp is a sloped surface that connects different levels, making it easier for people to move from one level to another. These ramps are especially important for individuals who use wheelchairs or have mobility challenges. Unlike stairs, ramps allow smooth and easy access, thus making buildings and spaces more inclusive. They are a key part of accessible design in architecture. Accessibility ramps are crucial because they promote inclusivity and independence. They help ensure that everyone, regardless of their physical abilities, has access to public and private spaces. This is not just about convenience. It's about equal opportunities and respecting the rights of all individuals to move freely and safely in their environment. You might see accessibility ramps in various places like schools, offices, shopping malls, and public buildings. They are often found next to steps or at main entrances. These ramps are usually made of concrete, metal, or wood and have a gentle incline to make them easy to use. Many countries have laws requiring public buildings to have accessibility ramps. This is part of a broader commitment to disability rights and accessible design. Socially, the presence of these ramps reflects a community's recognition of the diversity of its members and their mobility needs. I hope this video has helped you understand what an accessibility ramp is and why it's so important in our society. It's not just a construction feature. It's a symbol of a world that cares about accessibility and inclusivity for all. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English opens doors to understanding diverse aspects of life and culture. Keep learning and exploring.